Be smart. Pay less interest. Pay higher interest debt off first. For example, a credit card has a higher interest rate than a line of credit, and a line of credit has a higher interest rate than a mortgage. So pay off those higher interest rate accounts first. Even better yet, if you can put your credit card balance onto your line of credit and chip away at it there, overall you're paying less interest. This one might take some getting used to, but if you have a line of credit and you owe money on it, when you get paid your paycheck from your employment, deposit that money straight away to that line of credit. That will reduce the interest amount owing for each night that balance is there. And your monthly spending, for example, on groceries, etc., if you can put those costs on a credit card, they are interest free for 30 days. So your money sits on your line of credit, reducing the overall interest paid, and the expenses sit on your credit card, not costing you any interest. However, you do have to make sure that you make the full payment on your credit card by the due date, or that interest all gets racked up and it's all for nothing. This saves you an interest cost because most of us, our paychecks get deposited to our checking account, which earns us 0% interest. So even when we have our paycheck sitting there and it's $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, that money isn't working for us, when at the same time, we have a line of credit where we're being charged for every dollar that we have on that line of credit each day. If you don't have debt, set up a high interest e-savings account. And when you get paid, put your paycheck over to that high interest e-savings account and pull it down as you need the money. Again, beneficial to put your monthly spend on your credit card if you can and pay it off at the end of the month.